Hello everyone. Now let's study about teeth and digestive system. In this chapter we'll study about different types of teeth and digestive system, its organs. Teeth help us to bite and chew our food. There are different types: permanent teeth and temporary teeth. Permanent teeth are total 32 in number, and temporary teeth, it is a first set of teeth. We also call them milk teeth. They start developing at the age of 6 months. These are temporary teeth and are about 20 in numbers. Adult teeth, at the age between 6 to 12, milk teeth begin to fall as they are pushed out of the babe by permanent teeth. These are total 32 in number. Human beings have different types of teeth and they perform different functions. The different types of teeth are incisors, canine, premolars and molars. First of all, incisors. Incisors are, these are total 8 in number. We also call them biting teeth. These are used to cut and bite the food. These are the front teeth. 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. Second, canines. We also call them tearing teeth. These are very sharp and used to tear the food. These are total 4 in number, 2 in upper jaw and 2 in lower jaw. Adjacent to canines, we have premolars. We call them chewing teeth. There are 8 premolars, 4 in each jaw, and they crush the food. Last one is molars. Molars are also known as grinding teeth. These are the biggest, broadest and toughest one. There are 12 molars, out of which 8 grow first and 4 grow later on. Molars are used to grind the food while the tongue pushes chewed food into the mouth. The molars grind it until it is mashed and ready to swallow. Now let's study the structure of tooth and tooth decay. In the structure, there are different parts of the tooth. First of all, you can see the outer layer, the hard outer layer, white color layer which is visible to us, it is crown. Then the part which is attached to the gum, we call it neck, and the last one which is inside the gum, we call it root. These are also further divided into different parts. Out of this crown, it is hardest part, or you can say crown, it is the upper part, the portion of the tooth which is visible to us up above the gum, that is crown. Now, first is enamel. In crown, enamel is the outer portion, the hardest part of the tooth, that is enamel. Second is dentine. Below enamel, we have dentine layer, and then the nerves and all the blood vessels, these are present in the soft part of the tooth, that is known as pulp. Whensoever we eat anything, the food particles, they store. If we will not remove them, will not rinse them with water, then after some time germs will feed on these food particles and they will start releasing the acid. This acid only cause the tooth decay, which will cause the tooth ache. After this, now, so what should we do? How can we take care of our teeth? Teeth play an important role in our digestion also. So it is very important that we take care of our teeth. When we eat, some of the food particles get stuck in between our teeth. If it is not removed, germs, bacteria feed on these food particles and damage our teeth. This led to the formation of tooth decay or cavities or holes. So this cavity, it grows bigger and bigger till it reaches the nerves, and that is when it starts tooth ache. Over a period, our teeth get covered by a sticky yellow substance. It is important that we keep our teeth clean to avoid gum diseases and formation of plaque. Here are some of the ways in which you can keep your teeth clean and healthy. Brush your teeth twice a day, in the morning and before going to bed. Brush all your teeth, not just the front ones. Be sure to brush along the sides and at the back also. Change your toothbrush every 3 months. Rinse your mouth after eating anything, especially after having sweets or desserts. Clean your tongue after you brush your teeth. Take calcium-rich food like milk and all those things which are made up of milk. Visit a dentist regularly for a checkup. Now let's study about digestive system. Take a bite of a sandwich, chew and then swallow it. Does it give you energy instantly? How does it happen? The food that we eat is further broken into smaller pieces to be digested. The body system that digests the food is called digestive system. The digestive system comprises of mouth, food pipe, liver, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. Now, let's see the food which we eat, what happens to it. When we take a bite of sandwich or any food, it mixes with our saliva and which makes it soft. Then we can easily swallow this food. Through food pipe or esophagus, it enter into the stomach where different digestive juices, they further break down this food, and then this broken food, it enters into the small intestine where digestive juices help to completely digest it and absorb the nutrients which are present in the food. Now, remaining undigested part of the food or the sandwich, it moves into large intestine where water is absorbed by the walls of large intestine, and the waste food, it is removed from the body through anus. Now let's study about different microbes or microorganisms. Microbes, these are tiny, very tiny organisms. Even few are made up of just one cell. We call them unicellular organisms. We cannot see them with our naked eyes. To see them, we need a microscope. We call them germs, microbes or microorganisms. This device which is used to see microorganisms, this is known as microscope. They can be of different, they're very small, very different length. Now, as in the ancient times, scientists, they observed that there are few diseases which are caused by few microbes, few germs. To find their disease, they start research on it. Anton van Leeuwenhoek, he was the first in the 17th century who started working on the microbes, and then after this, other scientists with time, they invented different microscopes, and study goes further, and now we know different types of microorganisms. Now let's study different type of microorganisms. First is bacteria. Bacteria, it is one type of it can be good also or bad also. They, for example, few bacteria, they help us in formation of curd, so they are good. Few can be helped in the antibiotics to cure the diseases, so they are good for us. Few are bad, they cause some diseases like typhoid, tuberculosis. Second is virus. They need some living thing on which they can spread, on which they can survive. Without living thing, they cannot survive, they will die. They cause some diseases like polio, common cold. So to prevent them, to prevent virus to suffer, we can use vaccination. Their vaccination is not there for all the viruses, but for few viruses we have. Next is fungi. Fungi, it is also one type of microbe. It can be found on any plant, water or in air. It can be good. For example, yeast, it help in the formation of the food. You must have seen on fruits some kind of fungus, that is also fungi only. After this, next one, so you know different type of microbes and they can be spread easily, so we should maintain a good hygiene. Okay, this was, thank you everyone.